I slept like most of the day today, but I kind of needed it because between running, working out at the park, working out at the gym, um, and then walking back, I probably worked out for like 8 hours. Like the only times I wasn't working out was when I took a shower and I ate Taco Bell, and I went to the grocery store. So like, yeah, 8 hours, whatever. I did stuff on my phone, 7 hours, 7 hours at the park. I did some stuff on my phone, and I like went to Home Depot and stuff to go to the bathroom. So we'll say seven. I'll say 7 hours. But I worked out for like most of the day. So I definitely needed it. My back was sore, my legs were sore. Um, my ankles are still sore. I did a lot of when I went to the park. I started with like a balance beam, and I just like did balance beam and stretching and some agility stuff, but a lot of like foot, ankle. I used a lot of muscles in like my ankles, especially with the balance beam. Just constantly like trying to keep myself balanced for as long as possible. But I feel like I definitely made a lot of progress because I hadn't worked out for a week, and that was my first time really working out. So I wanted to do, and I have 2 off days, and then I have to work tomorrow. I have to work a double, and then I definitely have to work the 2 days after that, at least at one job. So yeah, I wanted to like make the most of at least one of the days, and then sleeping, most of today, feeling sore, and then now I don't feel sore in a lot of my muscle groups. So that's like I just feel a lot of progress. It feels good. I'm so happy. I was trying to get this for so long. I added 3 washers to my scooter because these rows on there, and I couldn't lock it when I was riding it, so it sucked. But when I took it apart, that smaller bar is what I took out, and there's a spring, and then there's the stupid locking mechanism. And you have to loop both of those with the rod, and the spring makes it very hard because it's a small space. It just took me like a half an hour, and I finally got it. Look at all this beautiful fucking isolated land. I found that park the other day. Look at this. It's just open training ground all over the place. All around this fucking railroad track. All the way down, all the way on the other end. Lots of spots for agility drills, for hills. All kinds of fun outdoor workouts. Probably even build some like rock buckets or something. I wonder what's the difference between a rock bucket and a rice bucket. I'm gonna find out. First Uber Eats pickup in a while. I had the jackpot of reserve supplies. And you all black for one of my jobs. So this found 2 pairs of black dress pants, black dress shirt. Actually, I have another one, and that's black. Black and gray. Found reserve stuff until I get paid. So we're gonna make some pasta. It's not gonna go bad. Oh, I was like, what is it? I thought it was beef stew for a second. It could be the same thing. One thing I do try to be sustainable is when I find water bottles that are like half full, they've been sitting in my car for a while, instead of wasting them, drinking them, there's bacteria. I like add them to my cleaning solution bottle. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. Everything is back in order. It's just still open. Yeah, I'm about to make some of this and put some Maybe some hot sauce and some seasoning on it. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I'm probably gonna eat this whole box. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. Last batch I made was alright. It wasn't that great. This one is exactly how I like the pasta.